Welcome everyone to Live with Wheels YouTube channel, and today at show we have a 12 watt portable pressure washer for review. And I've been using this pressure washer since a year now, and although two things are already broken, but still it's worth the money you pay. And I bought it for rupees 4,000 uh, last year, but nowadays it's going very cheap. You can buy one for around 1200 rupees to 3000 rupees depending on the quality you like. And it also has a 28-liter water tank. It is very much suitable if you live in society where you do not have direct access to electricity and tap water. Also, if you live in society where washing your car with a pipe is banned, then this kind of pressure washer might come handy. Now let me show you the things that came with this pressure washer. Now as you can see, there is one brush, a pressure gun, a 5-meter pipe, and the electricity cable which goes into the 12-watt socket of your car. Now these kind of brush are not suitable to use on the car body, but these are only good for washing the tires and wheel arches. And as you can see, this is detachable. You just have to unscrew it like that. And then here is the pressure gun. It's already broken. It does not stop the water. And as you can see, I have put masking tape on it because it really had those sharp edges that used to cut the skin on my fingers. And then here is the pipe that came with it. It has connectors on both sides. And at last, this cable which has an LED, the red one you can see now. Now let me show you the inside the tank of this pressure washer. As you can see, it has wheels which makes it easily rollable, and the stand sorry, the handle of this pressure washer is already broken, and I have secured it using the tape, as it cannot bear the weight of the pressure washer when it is filled with water. And this is inside the bucket. As you can see, I have already filled the water in it. Now to demonstrate the cleaning capability of this pressure washer, we do need a car, and today at show we have this 2014 white Ford Fiesta as a subject, which we will be cleaning now. Now before we start cleaning, let me show you how dirty the car is, the current condition of car. And this car has not been washed since 2 weeks, and you can see it's all covered in dust and the roughage of insects, birds, etc. As you can see, it's very dirty right now. The watermarks. Lots of dirt there. I don't know what type of stain this is. Maybe some tree liquid or whatever it is. We will clean all of this using that pressure washer. Now all we have to do is plug in the cord into the 12-watt power socket of the car, and the red LED will turn on, you can see. And I recommend you start your car and keep the engine running because you do not want to drain your battery. And then all we have to do is plug in the other end of the cord into the pressure washer, and then close. You can close the door there, that would cause any problem. And when you are done with plugging in, just press the on button and then you can start rinsing your car. And also remember to turn off your rain sensing wipers and automatic headlamps because that might get trouble. Here I will be using the 3M car wash shampoo. You can use whatever shampoo you like. Now use your wash mitt to apply the shampoo on the body of the car. Now once you are done with applying the shampoo on the car, then you can start with washing it out using the pressure washer. As you can see, I am using it right now. After washing the car with pressure washer, use a good quality microfiber towel to dry out the water from the car. And in the end, if everything goes well, you will have a nice and shiny clean car. And thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.
ਵੱਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਨੇ ਸਵਾਰ ਫੜ ਲਈ ਬੰਦੂਕਾਂ ਯਾਰਾ ਟਸ਼ਨ ਕਮਾਲ ਉੱਚਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੱਗ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਾਨ